2 Minutes English. Like, comment, subscribe.
Morning, Rafi. Good morning, Ali. You look fresh today. Thank you. I wake up early every day. Really? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 5:30 a.m. And you? Oh no, I wake up at 7:30 a.m. That is very late. Yes, I know. I love sleeping. What do you do after waking up? First, I check my phone. Phone again? Yes. Messages, social media, videos. That is a bad habit. I don't use my phone in the morning. Really? Then what do you do? I drink water and stretch my body. Do you take a shower in the morning? Yes, every day. Cold water or hot water? Cold water. It makes me active. Oh, I can't do that. Why? I feel very cold and sleepy. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I do that too, but very fast. Do you exercise in the morning? No, never. Not even walking? No, my bed is my best friend. I walk for 20 minutes every morning. Wow, you are very disciplined. Exercise keeps the body healthy. My body needs motivation. What do you eat for breakfast? Sometimes bread and eggs. Sometimes nothing. Do you plan your day in the morning? No, I just go with the flow. I make a small plan. Like what? Study time, work time, and rest time. We had a very good time. Thanks for the motivation. See you again. Bye. Take care.